News Radio
Here we go.
740 KTRH has activated the Houston Area Emergency Alert System. Stay tuned for important information.
Oh my gosh, they failed? Oh my gosh, KTRH just failed.
This station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System at the request of the National Weather Service in League City with a severe thunderstorm warning for the following areas: East Central Trinity County, Southeastern Montgomery County, San Jacinto County, Liberty County, Polk County, and Northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas. That is until 9:45 this morning. As of 8:50, a line of severe thunderstorms was centered near Cotton Chute, 10 miles west of Cleveland, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. This concludes the activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.
She's the...
Hello? But apparently Californians love liars. Yeah. And it... Quick. Yes, you did. No, I said, but he likes to go by my...
What is this? Another relay? They just double relayed.
Storm warning for East Central Trinity County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, San Jacinto County in southeastern Texas, Liberty County in southeastern Texas, Polk County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 9:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:50 a.m. Central Standard Time, a line of severe thunderstorms was centered near Cotton Chute, or 10 miles west of Cleveland, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in Texas include Wick Intercontinental Airport, Lane, Golden State Park, Hazen Lakes, West Livingston, Liberty, Moscow, Cleveland, Wood Branch, Newton, North Cleveland, Corrigan, Moss Hill, Harding, Splendora, Kenwood, Porter, Romeo, Kennewick, and Giulietta. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.